So today we're going to be talking about what you can do to make your home buying process less stressful. And this episode, we're fancy now, it's going to focus on mortgage rates. Okay, so important. And I have a good solution for you guys. So make sure you tune in for this. So what's the problem? Well, rates are going up like crazy. It's out of control. It's super frustrating. You can literally qualify someone on Monday and they don't qualify by Friday because the rates could jump 1/4 or 0.5%. It's nuts. There's zero stability. The volatility is off the charts. You know, it is causing so much stress for home buyers, for real estate agents, for the lenders. Guys, I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm like, oh my God, did we update Becky's pre-approval? Does she still qualify? I mean, seriously. And none of us have time for that. You guys don't need that. I don't need that. The real estate agents don't need that. You know, the real estate agents could be looking with someone for months and then they get in contract finally. Oh my God, winning the lottery, and then the buyer doesn't qualify because the rates have gone up so much. That is a story none of us want to hear. And that is something that it's not going to help you this year. So what's the solution? Solution's simple. We are going to be doing what's known as, well, our company calls it lock and roll. I like zero stress shopping because that's what it leads to. It leads to zero stress shopping. So let's talk about what that is. So let's say you do the full underwrite, because you guys know I'm a fan of the full underwrite. I think if you're going shopping in a market as competitive as this, you need a fully underwritten pre-approval. Once we have that, you and I are going to be talking about, okay, do you guys want to do the lock now? Meaning, do you want me to lock your interest rate while you shop, or do you want to gamble? It is up to you, but I now have the option in order to lock your rate while you're shopping. That's magic, guys. Because then if you do that and the rates spike the next week, who cares? You're locked, okay? Now, of course, there's some special things to consider. Does this lock last forever? No, it's only for 90 days, which means you'd have to find a house and close within 90 days. Now, let's say on day 80, you get into contract and you're like, Jen, how am I gonna close in 10 days? And I'm like, we can extend the loan. We can extend it once for up to 30 days. There is a cost to do that extension. So in a perfect world, right, you would find a house by day 60. Honestly, we can close fast. You've already been fully underwritten. You're already locked. Maybe we order the appraisal as a rush. You know, we can try to find ways to make this work. Guaranteed rate where I work, we are cutting down times on how quickly it takes to close stuff every single day. So what I love about this is I know how stressed everyone has been. We are all worried about the cost of gas. I mean, my husband always jokes that I don't look at price tags, which is not true. Mean, but like gas, have I paid that much attention to? Not until last month when I was like, what in the world? I probably fill up my car like 3 times a year. I don't go anywhere. I'm always here. You guys know this. Anyways, but gas is crazy. Groceries, I used to be able to go to the grocery store and get 6 bags for like $100. Now $100 is like 1 bag and there's like 3 items. Like, it's nuts. The fear and the stress of worrying about what your mortgage payment's gonna be if you find that house, it's just one more thing that if we can alleviate it, let's just alleviate it. Like, there's no reason to deal with that if we don't have to. And so that's what this program does. And is it a guarantee? If you close within that 90 days, yeah, it's a guarantee you'll get that rate. Right? As long as you don't like quit your job, like destroy your credit, spend all your money. If you still qualify, right? I've already fully underwritten you. If you didn't do anything cray, then yeah, that's the rate you're gonna get, even if rates went up 1% in the meantime. And you know, I was talking to Alyssa about this because a lot of you guys actually get to talk to Alyssa. I love Alyssa. Alyssa's a former client. She's one of the clients who asked me the most questions. She's bought multiple houses. She's made a ton of money in real estate. And she's like, why wouldn't someone want to do this? And I'm like, the only time you wouldn't want to do this is if you have a gambler mentality. And I'm not saying that's a good or a bad thing. It's just a different thing from where I live. I live in conservative land where we sleep at night, you know, we have lavender scented pillows. It's conservative. I don't want to worry about anything. And many of our clients are like that. They're like, just lock it. I do not want to lose sleep. I don't want to get priced out. That's the fear of being priced out. Other people are like, well, I'd rather play the market. That's fine. Totally totally fine. If you're comfortable playing the market and you want to play the market, cool. I just want you to know, hey, I've got this other option if you want to come to Sleepy Time Lullaby Land with me. Okay, I'll be in Gambler Land with you too, going, right? But it is an option. So important to note, it is not for all loan products. Is it for VA? Yeah, so VA buyers, we're gonna now be coming fully underwritten and fully locked if you guys wanna do that, which is gonna make you even stronger. Same for conventional and same for FHA. I do not have this option on jumbo mortgages yet, so sorry guys, but for everyone else, we do have this option, and I hope you guys are as excited about it as I can't even talk today because I'm not excited about it. I need to get my booty, start calling clients and getting them locked into this program because I think it's gonna make everybody sleep so much better, and that is what brings me joy. So questions, comments, please let me know. If you guys wanna talk about getting fully underwritten and doing the lock and roll, please get on the calendar. You can talk to Alyssa if you're like, I don't even wanna wait for that. There's a link to my app, zerostressmortgage.com. We're always here for you. We want to make this easy. Thank you for tuning in. Lock that rate.